Minyang tabiri bupumna makpu kurumjari danyumna taram nokchari. Sandokchari batharam asi Impact TV gi entertainment news kyagi pawdam puzarakliba Mami Mapao gi thoramni. Ngasi Mami Mapao gi chamaga tare lak suba episode asida kari karamba Mapao sing puzarakliba gi haibudu thamjari. Mami Mapao gi ahan Mapao gi thamjari. World Tourism Day ga mari lainana International Rock Band Hybrid Theory na saru yaduna Festival of Nongin Pangthokibagi Mapao. Mathangda thamjari. Chahi ani lepnaruba matung. Where have all the flowers gone gi? Taret suba edition nimit nini chupna fayingda Pangthokibagi Mapao. National Institute of Technology NIT na Sindhuna Augri 2022 Pangthokibagaloinana main event Miss Augri 2022 ki title Leichombam Apana Devina Takibagi Mapao. Genthai Nading Bab A Hainaming Thonba Cookie Music Album release Tawkibagi Mapao. Asis Hamomgi Choice Hainaming Thonba Experimental Film UK the base Tawba 12 Lift Up Sessions Film Festival Gidamak Official Selection Panglatagi Mapao. Ningol Sing the base Tawba Ningol Hainaming Thonba Anoba Manipuri feature film gi Director Laimim Surjikantag Unaduna Film asigi matangda wari sanabagi Mapao. Aroibada, lamdam asigi nupi singna yamna pamnaba fi makhalama oiriba Rani Pida base tawba langlagi jagoi hainaming thonba Manipuri music album gi shooting gi Mapao. So guys, ngasigi aham Mapao da puzarakli. September 27, World Tourism Day ga mari lainana Festival of Nongin hainaming thonba rock concert amada International Rock Band Hybrid Theory na American rock band Linkin Park ki laikhidraba lead vocalist Chester Bennington gi mafamda tribute piba oina rock concert ama Luwang Sangmamda leiba Luwang Pokpa Cricket Stadium da pangthokhibagi Mapao asi miyam punna intaminasi.
International Rock Band Hybrid Theory na saruk yaduna World Tourism Day ga mari lainana Festival of Nongin hainaming thonba rock concert ama September 28 ta pangthokre. Gauka gi mateng makhada eventers no sintuna Luwang Shangbam ki Luwang Pokpa Cricket Stadium da pangthokiba concert adu maruoina American rock band Linkin Park ki laikhidrava lead vocalist Chester Bennington gi mafamda tribute pibani. Linkin Park studio album Hybrid Theory ki maming loduna tholiba Portugal ki rock band asina American rock band Linkin Park ki isai sing miyam da khudol tamduna saknairaba saishakpa Chester Bennington bu miyam da nohona na ningsing hanbada achauba mating pangli. Linkin Park ki tribute band ama oiriba Hybrid Theory ki lead vocalist Ivo amadi vocalist Pedro na handa ki concert asi artist taret na saba band asi ki oina India da lakpa ihan hanba concert ama oibana yamna nungaiva fawi haina fongdorakli.
Powered by Gauka in relation with the Festival of Nongin and World Tourism Day, we have with us the wonderful Hybrid Theory and the Linkin Park tributes. You guys were wonderful. You did, I enjoyed so much. Thank you so much for being here in Nepal first.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for having us.
First of all, before we begin, I would just like to ask very few questions. I know you guys are tired. First of all, can you please mention us your name, just your name?
Miguel.
I'm Ivo.
Pedro.
Diogo.
I'm Nunu.
Danny.
Very nice to meet you all. I'm very much privileged to have you all and meet you all in this occasion. Now, I would like to ask, the first thing is that, whose idea was the Hybrid Theory, the Linkin Park tribute? Whose idea? Okay, his.
It's his idea.
It was his idea. It was his idea.
Okay. It was all of us' idea.
It was Miguel's idea. So, how did it happen? How it began?
You want to explain this part?
Well, we started, first of all, we started as an original band. Me, Miguel, Diogo, and two guys that are not with us anymore. And then they invited me to do a casting to join the band. and I choose 3 songs. I choose "Numb" by Linkin Park, "Chasing Cars" by Snow Patrol, and what the other, Imagine Dragons. Imagine Dragons. Imagine Dragons. And it doesn't matter. And then we recorded all the 3 songs, and Miguel just sent me a message saying, "You see, can you listen how this sounds?" And I said, it sounds like in Linkin Park. And then he said, we should do a tribute band. What do you say? No, it can't happen. That Linkin Park was still playing, and it didn't make any sense to do a tribute band on that time. But a few years later, after we decided to break up, Miguel pushed us again. And say we should do the Linkin Park tribute after Chester passed away. We did that just to get some money to record our things, to buy things for our band.
It was meant for the originals band and not to be tribute. It was meant to be one show, and not more than that.
You know, you guys are not less than the Linkin Park, and we love Linkin Park so much, and we love you guys the same right now. You guys are letting the legends live till now. That's what I want to say. Now, how do you like Imphal, and how was the crowd? How was the performance tonight?
So for us, it was a very special moment. Obviously, it's the first time here, first time in India, first time in Imphal. Okay, I said this before, and the thing that I think we will all take with us is how nice everyone was to us here. Okay, the way you guys received us, the way you guys made us feel at home. So that was amazing, and obviously you guys being here. Everyone noticed we had a few minor glitches, we had a few fights we had during the gig, but that only made us work harder for you guys, make everything work, because we wanted so much to give back, because you guys made us feel like home, and it was so important to do a good show, to make everybody happy, to make you guys feel the way you made us feel, okay? So that was the biggest thing for us, and we can only say thank you.
I'd like to just ask only one serious question from this side now. Like, does any of these performances or any of this tribute or any charity goes to the Linkin Park or the Chester? Is this related to their band or any of their families?
To the depression, at the moment we're not. But 2 years ago we helped the koalas in Australia when we had the fire bushes, and every shirt we sold, we helped the koalas. At the moment, it's the only donation we did, yes.
Nice, that's very nice.
Then there was COVID, and then the band stopped, so there was no possibility of doing that. But we will do that again. We already talked about it. We will do it again now on our next tour in Lithuania, Hungary, Poland, Latvia, and Estonia. We will do the same, that we donate some money goes into charity, and we will do it again when we go back to New Zealand and Australia this year as well.
Happy Tourist Day. Come to Imphal.
Come to Imphal, enjoy the view. Yeah, and I hope you guys love Imphal, because we have a lot of, you guys are staying for a day or just...
We don't have so much time because we need to fly back home and then come back.
You have more tours ahead.
Yeah, because now before coming here we were in the UK, so we didn't actually go home. We flew from the UK here. So now we are leaving tomorrow, unfortunately, because we have to go home and we all have our families as well. We have to go home and get ready for the next tour, but next time we're going to come back, I think in December? November. The Australian tour, we are coming back to India, and then hopefully we can stay a little bit longer.
Happy Tourism Day, and come to Imphal!
Just
Gauka gi miting makhada eventusna Hybrid Theory The Linking Park Tribute show si Mai Parkna Manipur da pangthokhiba sigidamak Mami Mapao gi maikidagi thagatpa amadi nungaiba phongdokche. COVID-19 pandemic na maram oiraga chahi ani lepuraba matung Where Have All the Flowers Gone gi Tariat Suba Edition musical event yauna tongan ba entertainment event kaya ga loinena September 23 amasung 24 nimit nini chupna Faying gi Pathar Bazaar da leiba Konsang Lampakta pangthokhibagi Mapao asi amuk ingtamisi
Impact TV ki Mami Mapao bu mijeng tabiri ba kumno maputenjik bukham amnai kongna na khomjari akoina hojik pujar ka dori ba paudam asina event asigi maming Where Have All the Flowers Gone hari ba dugi event aduni leijari bampham asina fayeng dani chahi kuina leblor ba matungda Where Have All the Flowers Gone amuka hanna mayam ni maphamda sinare akoina hojik ai ki background da tajari ba stage da band Pebet hari ba du perform tawri aduga atopa band mayam amasu yauri yum The Koi, Soles Har, asina chingba event, asina nini pangtok ka doriba dugamba event ni may ampun na bidyang tamines.
COVID-19 pandemic na maram pohiraga sahi ani lebluraba matung Where Have All the Flowers Gone 2022 gi taret lak suba edition fayengi Pathar Bazaar da leiba Konsang Lampakta numit nini chupna September 22 amasung 23 da Mai Park na pangthokri
My friend preaches the words of God that one time told me that the next year was
Amuka hana mayam utaram na ukshari hojik akoina mayam da thengna hanjaga doriba ase akoi yamba akhu akoi Where Have All the Flowers Gone hari ba sahi kayama hanjin adum akoi pangthok tuna lakliba amasung Imphal Tokis ko inasu lead singer amo inasu laibiriba yamba sidagi ngasi event asigi matangda karigumba khara khaktang khangminasi yamba Where Have All the Flowers Gone haise akoi kuinasu lepure amuka hanjile adu hojik kari phaubi gi
yam nuai haitare koi festival je chei khudingi tawbu kanda dum artist mapandagi myam poroktana aduga akoina platform ama piraga haitare ko koi Manipur gi artist oiro mapandai artist oiro handak ne hena nuai sina koi je Wales dagi ko UK dagi artist amju yawe hayengi last ko headliner haitare Gareth Bonello na ma masu yawe ado we are very excited haitare fine gabi to uje
Sengna hargadi akoi mamangi last 2 years e covid ki maram haitare covid lem dagi da sengna koi yam phajana chauna dum sinja gen khanse bani adu upai lai ki da haibdi mayam gi ne lakoi na koi hek tausan ba chupat da precaution have da koi log da yate adu ta sengna after 2 years koi handak silak pa ji hiding ari ta nuai adu ga ngasai wai Imphal da nong yam ka ta ba time da koi yam pa ka charu na haibdi akoi festival da ongkok thok tri ba haibdi crowd ching ji bo na hangi maina la roi da ga pa ka lu ba but hojik live flow je yeng already akoi kiningai leite and we are expecting more crowds to be here adumi
ado akoina Where Have All the Flowers Gone gi koi purpose se koi sum mamang du khurkhul gumba adigi sugumba phayeng gumba location ngakta so dum select tawje koi gi lairiba inachi gi keno gi yokhat pagi ko isai desu aduga lairiba chinjak sisu ado sigi purpose se kyamuk yam success oirage haibagi matang je dadi kamai thamning
success oi bhai je keno ne akoi gi Imphal da di leitre ko suma pham je aduga akoina sum sangu mafam ja koi ga rural ga urban ge su yamna chawa gap am lei ko adugi gap tu adum koi festival gi through da dum tam na tina samna akoi tim hai tare akoi di yam lu na tina re hai tare fayeng gi ro kurkul gi ro ko sangu mafam jing je as of now
Thank you. Adubu, Where Have All the Flowers Gone has hojik brand mo ina di festival ama ko oina du mayam nasu celebrate taunare adu kimatik mayam nasu pamnai adu matung tarak padadi ko gi lairiba ko lamdam ge ko gi north east manung da jo atopa Shillong na chaga Arunachal gi festival mayam marak se su maming adu kimatik hena laina ba adu election hai pagi asa se ko impact tv mai kai de gi pizage aduga all the best aduga matung tarak pa chahi da so ko edum participate tawbungam oijage mayam na je hena support tawi oisinde.
Thank you Impact. Thank you sir.
Numit nini chupna chatakiva Where Have All the Flowers Gone 2022 gi mapung oiva thauram musical concert na oiki. International band yauna tongan ba band sing na musical night aduda sharuk yaki.
Where Have All the Flowers Gone? The 7th sub-edition Chahi Ani COVID-19 pandemic na lep luraba matung 2022 Chahi asigi oina namit nini chupna fayeng da mai pak na pangthokhibada Mami Mapao gi maikay dagi thagat performance. National Institute of Technology NIT Manipur gi annual cultural festival ama oiriba Ogri 2022 gi main event ama oiriba Miss Ogri 2022 gi title Miss Lechomam Apana Devi na takibing Mapao asi miyang punna na intamisi.
National Institute of Technology NIT Imphal Manipur ge annual cultural festival Ogri 2022 numit nini chupna September kunga humdoi amasung kunga marida Takel Patalaiva Institute Astiki ground pangthokre Ogri 2022 gi manung channa tongan ba event kaya pangthokhivaga loina na Ogri 2022 gi aroiba numit September kunga marida mega event ama oiba Miss Ogri 2022 pangthokhi.
NIT Manipur na sindu na pangthokliba Ogri 2022 gi saruk amo oina Miss Ogri 2022 su pangthokli. Handaki Miss Ogri 2022 asi contestant kunmathoi na saduna phajaba mawongda sinli haiba tare. Contestant sing asi yamna su smart oi masak su loina mag phajai. They are talented and very intelligent in their own ways. Ado kunmathoi magse wari saraga karam na phauri bage kamaina prepare to wirak bage haibado hang bagi tancha do muktang lauzage. Alright, akoy contestant yam phasabi contestant amala yesuda akoy je Mami Mapao Impact TV ge team ne contestant number kya oi birabana 10 contestant number 10 ming Simran Konjengbam and kanatagi loka project gi representing our youth. Amazing! You look so beautiful. Masak siya ang phasay stage so ino ye. Ang phasay ay tare. Ngasigi contest sa. Talk na ba hot na ba da preparation hay tare ko. Kaya mo yam na hot na biki ba kaya dam tang tambiyo. Preparation hot na ba da kong is start bleeding. Mas important. Aldagi up down sa pada back proud nare. And see the photo that I have that. I think I'm going to have a thought play.
Hello, good evening. I get contestant number 18 and I myself Pinky Irungbom from Werang.
Pinky yam phase traditional round so I na create like amazing performance. Preparation to bada kaya mo aki gedo tang haibiro.
Kaiso kwa badi laite adubu aingonda hena hotna ning badi adum po hai tae se. Thank you.
Rani Lakshmi Kraisam contestant number 19. Rani ki design se kanana to bibano aduga kai theme da to bono dom tang haibiro mo.
Theme se ko waste materials ing akoi season da basing se seasona hairi gown ma tu bi yai haibado uchari ne ba aduga ai ge design ma ming na GK dana kanta
Manipur gi oina miyam na thoito hendong na sakhang laba designer masamang ni magi design su amazing kai na sembano kamai ta bu design no haibadam tang haibiro mo.
Kogi newspaper kogi season da report sing jena na kogi kono to hata creative ora ga isai go na kitang creative haza jara ga newspaper da tora ga sem bane.
So gown pura gown se chiengakta
ne gown ji mas
Sathina phasai kadai dei talent no adam haiba. Amazing. Ada contestant number 16 ki damakta puthok bi bani dana da sem. Traditional rounds su loi kre hajik ki thok toiba rounds su lakha dore kai phaubi dige contestant sing se kamai to gendak chahi contestant sing se
loina hatak ki contestant sing loina yeng banu ngai amna talent lai aduga sigi round je ngai ba chada pakhat pam ji pha
Miss Ogri 2022 की टाइटल मिस लाइचोंबम अपना देवी न ताकिवगा लोइना फर्स्ट रनर अप द मिस लौक्राकपम हेलारी अमदी मिस थांगजम रीना सेकंड रनर अप ताकी
Alright guys, the wait is finally over. We have the winners of Miss Ogri 2022 right in front of me. I am so proud of you guys. How are you feeling? I'll start with the first runner-up. Is that fine with you? Alright.
Extremely happy and yeah, that's it. I'm happy.
Thank you so much, Hillary. Our winner?
I feel amazing and very blessed.
You know, you guys are really smart. You guys answered amazing, all three of you. Last but not least, our second runner-up.
Thank you. I feel so happy, but then this spark of responsibility is signing in me today because I represented inclusive beauty here. I am obviously overweight, but then that does not hamper for me like going in this pageant thing. So I'm very happy.
I'm sure every one of you are happy and really proud of you. Future dasu hena chauba hena mai pakpa oibiyu hain haijage. Thank you so much from our Mami Mapao and Impact team. Thank you guys for having us, giving us the time to talk to you, and good luck. Thank you so much. Hauziki oinadi Strela, your host, and our camera person Da Lilison signing out. Thank you.
Miss Ogri 2022 की टाइटल फंख्रबी Miss Lechomam Apana Devi Bu Mami Mapao की माइकरीदगी a big congratulations हाइबा वाफम थमजे Genthai Nading Bap A हाइना मिंथोनबा Cookie Music Album अमा हौखिबा September 22 दा इम्फाल की संजिंग थोंगदा लेबा MLA Quarters दा release तौखिबिग Mapao असी अमुक मिंग तामिलेसे
Genthai Nading Bip A Haina Mingthonba Cookie Music Album ama release tokre Hairiba Cookie Music Album release tawbagi thauram adu Imphal East District ki Sanzen Thongda laiba MLA Quarters ta pangthokibani thauram aduda Cycle ki MLA Kimyo Hang Singh Hanglep ki MLA Lejamang Haukib yauna Cookie Film Development Association ki member kayana saruk yaki
Cookie Music Album Genthai Nading Bep A haini mingthonba album asi mai pakpa miyam ni yamna pamnaba album ama oirasunu haiba wafam Mami Mapao ki maikerdagi thamjari matang swide yamna tema break amatang longjege khongna yang hanjarake Impact TV bum yengtaduna lebi Welcome back. Adonim yang tabir ba si Impact TV re sandok chariba Mami Mapao gi chamaga tare lak suba episode ni break ki matungda pujarakliba Mapao asina masamag video editor amasu oiriba Manipur dagi Asis Hamomgi Choice Haina Minthonba experimental film asibu UK the based tauba 12 Live Off Sessions Film Festival gidamak official selection fanglapagi Mapao asi na intaminasi.
Manipur dagi Asis Hamomgi Choice Haina Mingthonba experimental film United Kingdom the best over Taraga Nithoirak Suba Live Off Sessions Film Festival da Utnabagi damak official selection fanglakli. Minute Mariga second Taraga Mari Shangba Choice Haiba film asi Asis Hamomna direction Piba Galoinana Rupa Hawaii concept amadi story ni Ravi Voyat ki cinematography ni Loinana Vast Hamomna film asida sakam langli. Live Off Sessions Film Festival asi Live Off Global Network amadi Pinewood Studio UK na sinduna pangthokadavani. Festival asi maru oina indie filmmakers singbu promote taunabagi pandamda pangthokpani. Mathang chahi 2023 ki January taraga taruk tagi February taraga humdoi fawwa Los Angeles da pangthokadawriba Live Off Film Festival asigi winning short natraga feature film adu festival asigi manungda utkani hari.
Choice Haina Mingthonba experimental film asibu 12th Live Off Sessions Film Festival da utnabagi damak official selection fanglakpada Asis Hamomgi mafamda Mami Mapao gi maikagidagi nungaiba fongdokpaga loinana festival asida mai pakpurak oresunu haibu wafam thamchani. Ningol Haina Mingthonba lamdam asigi ningol sing da base tawba Manipuri feature film gi shooting Hauzik Loshindana Chatliba Chahi 2022 gi Ningol Chakawbagi Mangoinana October 16 da Imphal gi Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS ki auditorium da premiere so utnabagi pandam galoinana film asigi finishing oiba thabak thoram sing hojik kanna chathariba asigi Mapao amumiyam punham ingaminasi.
Chahi asigi lakliba ningol chakauba kumbai gi mangoina na puthokna bagi damak ningol haina mingthonba Manipuri feature film gi shooting gi oiva thabak thoram sing loishinduna editing gi oiva thabak akanba mawongda chathari hari. Ningol hariba Manipuri feature film asigi director su oiriba Laimayum Surjakantana Mami Mapao da fongdorakpagi matung ina film asigi shooting gi thabak completely loibaga loinana lakliba October taraga tarukta Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS da premiere show utnanaba thaurang tauri haina fongdorakli.
Tasena shooting si di loirabani film je already censor lauraba film oire ado kitang pendaba shot yarapa ado ri shoot tawani si balagi segi song sequence haitare kaina bagi kalaba saina haiba matama da bidagi kalaba saina ana yamna power ba saito ado gi best work ni ado masisi shooting best work haitare shooting di loirabani October ki date 16 MSF days da premiere show gi nimit lekraba du ma film se producer si Rishikesh na produce tawna ina direction ado ka matama gi hojuna layo graba maibam ram saran hariba ali bungoduna ibiramba samna bada MDO di sumang lada ningol part 1 2 no yamna maming sakraba atomba story amade base tawba film ni ningol
Aroiba Mapao da lamdam asigi nupi oibi singna yamna pamnaba fi makhalama oiriba Rani P ama mapungfana sanabagi damak lang naibadagi hauraga mapungfaba fi ama oiba fawbagi warida base tawduna H360 Pictures ki banner makhada puthokpa langlagi jagoi haina mingthonba Manipuri music album gi shooting spot ta Mami Mapao na chatlubagi Mapao asi amuk biging taminasi.
Big TV ki Mami Mapao bum ideng tawiri bum na magpu tenzing program na igong no khoramjari akoina leizari bum phamasi langlada jagoi takliye hairiba hemata khuman gi anoba music video album anoba mahau ma purakadori badungo music video album amani artist singa thengna hanjaduna mayam da punna paudam adu pujake aduna mayam punna mideng taminers
Langlagi jagoi hairiba Manipuri music album asi lamdam asigi miyamna yamna pamna inariba Rani V the best over album amani album asida Rani V ama sanabagi damak langnaibadagi hauraga mapung phaba phi ama oina puthorakpa phawbagi wari sing adubu utli
tasingbagidi langlada jagoi takli haiba isaisi Pretty namna ibiba isai ne ꯏꯁꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯦꯄꯣꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯕꯤꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯌꯣꯡꯗ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯏꯅꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯐꯖꯔꯕ ꯐꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯎꯕꯤꯕ ꯐꯪꯂꯒꯅꯤ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯎꯠꯂꯅꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯏꯁꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯡꯒꯔ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯅ ꯁꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯅꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯗꯥ ꯁꯨꯔꯃꯅꯤ ꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯀꯝꯄꯣꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯏꯁꯩꯁꯦ ꯏꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯒꯦ ꯏꯄꯥꯝ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯨ ꯀꯦꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯣꯏꯔꯨꯒꯦ ꯁꯅꯥꯄꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯅꯣꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯄꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯣꯃꯣꯟꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯨꯕꯩ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯃꯥꯡꯁꯥꯒꯦ ꯖꯒꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯂꯪꯂꯥꯅ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯕꯒꯨꯝ ꯂꯪꯂꯥꯅ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯕꯒꯨꯝ
ꯂꯪꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯜꯕꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯇꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯇꯣꯕꯔ 1ꯗ H360 ꯄꯤꯛꯆꯔꯁꯀꯤ ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯕ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯗ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯖ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯐꯪꯂꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯪꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯜꯕꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ H360 ꯄꯤꯛꯆꯔꯁꯀꯤ ꯕꯦꯅꯔ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯅꯦꯄꯣꯂꯤꯌꯟ ꯇꯣꯞꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟꯗ ꯍꯦꯃꯟꯇ ꯈꯨꯃꯟ ꯁꯩꯁꯛꯂꯤꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯨꯁꯄꯔꯥꯅꯤ ꯁꯨꯁꯃꯤꯇꯥ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯅꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯦꯜꯕꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯕꯂꯥ ꯏꯊꯣꯏ ꯕꯤꯖꯨ ꯍꯦꯃꯥꯕꯇꯤ ꯍꯦꯂꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯥꯜꯅ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯂꯥꯡꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯜꯕꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯖꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯅꯣꯡꯗꯣꯜ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯦꯝꯕꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯣꯜꯅ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯐꯤꯖꯣꯜ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ
ꯂꯪꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯥꯅꯤ ꯐꯤꯗ ꯑꯉꯛꯄ ꯐꯪꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯥ ꯍꯩꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯉꯛꯄ ꯐꯪꯅ ꯔꯥꯅꯤ ꯐꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯅꯩꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯥꯝꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯐꯖꯕꯁꯨ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯩꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯔꯥꯅꯤ ꯐꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯐꯤꯁꯤꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯐꯤꯁꯤꯒꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯡꯈꯠꯂꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯜꯕꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯄꯣꯂꯤꯌꯟꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯨꯝꯃꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯕꯂꯥꯁꯤ ꯏꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯁꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯦꯂꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯌꯥꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯁꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯔꯥꯅꯤ ꯐꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯦꯠꯂꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯅꯦꯄꯣꯂꯤꯌꯟꯒꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯛꯄ ꯐꯪꯅꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯋꯥꯠꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯜꯕꯝ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ
ꯂꯪꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯡꯊꯣꯟꯕ ꯅꯦꯄꯣꯂꯤꯌꯟ ꯇꯣꯞ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯕ ꯃꯦꯀꯞ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜ ꯆꯥꯛꯀꯧꯕꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯏꯐ ꯄꯥꯎꯖꯦꯜꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯒꯤꯐꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯇꯝꯒꯗꯕ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯪꯂꯥꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯡꯊꯣꯟꯕ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯜꯕꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯁꯨꯇꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯜꯂꯛꯂꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯕꯤꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯋꯤꯚꯔꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯤ ꯂꯪ ꯈꯟꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯐꯤ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯃꯆꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯪꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯏꯟ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯜ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯔꯥꯅꯤ ꯐꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅ ꯁꯥꯔꯛꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯐꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯔꯥꯅꯤ ꯐꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅ ꯁꯥꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯀꯌꯥꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯦꯐꯔꯠ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯗꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ ꯅꯦꯄꯣꯂꯤꯌꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯋꯦꯌꯔꯁꯦ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅꯁꯨ ꯄꯔꯁꯅꯦꯂꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯋꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯀꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯣꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯄꯔꯁꯅꯦꯂꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯂꯨꯝ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯤꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯣꯛꯇꯣꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯗꯦꯠ 1ꯗ H360 ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯕ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯐꯪꯕꯤꯔꯒꯅꯤ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯒꯗꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯦꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯎꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯦꯜꯕꯝ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯤꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯦꯃꯟꯇ ꯈꯨꯃꯟꯒꯤ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯑꯦꯜꯕꯝ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯩ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯁꯣ ꯃꯆ ꯕꯂꯥ
H360 Pictures ki YouTube channel da October 1st tagi miyamna yengba fanglagadoriba Langlagi Jagoi hairiba Manipuri music album asigi damak Mami Mapao ki Michael dagi yaifamangol pizari loinana album asi miyamna yamna pamnaba album ama orisun haibu wafam thamjai. And that's all we have in this episode. Matang episode ta anawang pao kya ga loinana mulakchage. Until then, keep watching Impact TV. Bye bye.